A bicycle is a mobility tool that rolls along two wheels instead of the two legs of a person. However, sometimes two human legs substitute the wheels of a bicycle. A bicycle must roll along two wheels. Slope, U-type road for bicycle wheels. Rotating bracket, a hinge-type structure where the slope can open and close. Rotating bracket fixing device, a fixing device to prevent the slope from straying. Floor fixing bracket, a device to fix the slope to steps. The angle can be adjusted. Floor fixing bracket finishing cover, prevent exposure of the anchor bolt and stop dust from entering. Connecting bracket, can connect the slope without welding when installed at a slant of 6 to 7 meters or more. Finishing cap set, covers the cut side of the upper part of the slope and makes the wheels of the bicycle turn naturally. The biggest characteristic of the NeoMerse bike ramp is fast and easy installation and stability during use. The NeoMerse bike ramp uses a floor fixing bracket with adjustable angles and can be installed on steps with different widths and heights. It is designed with a prefabricated structure that requires no welding or grinding to minimize dangerous elements during construction and reduce construction time. The length can be adjusted with the connecting bracket. It has a block-type prefabricated structure so parts can easily be changed in case of damage and maintenance and repair cost decreases. Aluminum alloy is used to create a durable, corrosion-resistant slope, and the U-type curve minimizes elements that may cause injury to the human body. In addition, ceramic non-slip sheets are used to improve contact and stability of bicycle wheels, and there are grooves attached to the two sides of the slope to prevent the ceramic non-slip sheet from falling off. The advertisement's effects from sticking promotional materials is great. The installation of a floor fixing bracket finishing cover prevents exposure of dangerous elements. The slope can be opened and closed with a rotating bracket, making drain cleaning, maintenance, and repair easy. The NeoMerse bike ramp, which has been recognized for its great design and user convenience, has been constructed at prestigious organizations in the country in recognition of its reliability. It has acquired ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certification to establish a quality business management and environmental management system of an international level. It also made a grand slam when it won the IF Product Design Award, the Red Dot Design Award, and the Silver IDEA Design Award.